My rheumatologist is from South Africa. So I figured with all of the excitement that people have around the soccer World Cups, FIFA matches across the country, this would be an ideal gift for him. And I like that it even has a little bit of the green that is a part of the colors of the South African football team. I'm not going to do anything with this other than drop it into a bag and put a bow on it. So it's already appropriately gift boxed. And I really like it. This is lightweight. It's not very heavy at all. It's a very lightweight product. But it's nicely done. I just like it. It's real simple. And I like to keep my gifts that I give to, like my doctors and Amazon drivers and people like that. I like to keep it simple. This one is very minimalist, and my doctor is a minimalist, so this is going to work well for him. It has really great texture and a really nice look, and I like that because it's a simple elegance. Now, the one thing I will point out that you might notice when you get your mug rather, the handle is processed wood, and I'm sure they did that to make sure that it's sturdier, that it's going to last. So the color may be a little different than your actual cup color, but it's not so different that it's going to make a big difference. Inside you have a spacious 17-ounce capacity. And this is a great way to drink your beer, but you can put tea in here. So whatever you want to put in here. You have to hand wash this. You cannot put it in the dishwasher. And I mean, wood and water generally don't mix well. So you can wash it, but you shouldn't soak it because it'll destroy your wooden finish. But hand wash it, rinse it gently, and then dry it with a soft cloth. This is paint. This is actually a painted finish, and so that's probably another reason why you want to be very astute about maintaining this. And I think if you do that, just take those 3 simple steps, you should get a nice long use. So I'm very pleased, and I think my doctor will enjoy it.